Can
you say hi? Can you sing? Sing a song, buddy. You want to sing the farm song? Can you sing it for me? Tootie can feed the chickens, collect the eggs. Fufa, you're so good at watering the plants. Ruby can tend the pumpkins in the pumpkin patch. Plex can fix the tractor on the farm. Muno has a hoe to help plant the corn. Yeah. Can you sing? Can you sing?